Hi guys, welcome to Tech Life. Today I'm going to discuss about a job opportunity from Hexaware. Role is learning and development role and the locations are Navi, Mumbai and Pune. It's a full-time opportunity. Here you can see the job description. Job functions are human resource and the CTC offered is 4 lakh per annum. You can see immediate joining, work from office, 5 days working, no work from home. Service agreement is 3 years. You will see the responsibilities of this role and see the eligibility criteria, qualifications or skills required. Master's degree in business administration, MBA or PGDM, must possess excellent written and verbal communication and interpersonal skills. Learning and development or training experience is desired. Strong organizational and project management skills, passion for hosting large scale events and connecting with diverse work office. And you have to be proficient in using MS Office applications, including PowerPoint, Word, and Excel, basic understanding of learning technologies and platforms, enthusiasm for promoting a culture of continuous learning. You have to understand and to proactively respond to stakeholder needs and provide periodic updates on action items. Okay, these are the eligibility qualifications or skills required for that role. They are looking for excellent communication skills, fluent in spoken and written English, team player and interpersonal relationship abilities, high level of energy, right attitude, and ability to thrive in a fast paced environment, openness, reliability, punctuality, and flexibility at given tasks. You will get CTC of 4 lakh per annum and service agreement is 3 years. If you break this, you have to pay 2 lakh rupees and you will see the clear job description here. These are the responsibilities of that role and these are the qualifications required. Okay, it's the same. This is an superset job hiring. I will paste this link in the description. Do check it out and apply for as fast as you can because the application window will close us in 3 days. Do subscribe to TechLight for more videos. Stay ahead, stay TechLight. Do apply for as fast as you can, guys, because the application will go window closes in 3 days. All the best for you guys for your job search and stay ahead, stay TechLight. I will post more job opportunities in this channel and do join in my Telegram channel also. Thank you. Keep watching.